Jeera or cumin rice. Take a cooker, switch on the flame, add 1 tablespoon of ghee, add 10 to 12 cashew nuts, fry. Now add 1½ tablespoon of cumin seeds, one bay leaf, add 2 cloves, add 1 inch of cinnamon bark, 1 cardamom. Fry on medium to low flame until all spices release their aroma. Then add 2 to 3 slit green chilli, add 1 long sliced onion. Fry till onion turns to golden brown. Now add 100 gram of rinsed basmati rice. Add 200 ml of water. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Close the cooker lid and allow for 2 to 3 whistles. Now open the lid. Mix well. Aromatic and flavorful jeera or cumin rice is ready to serve with dal, sabji or curry. For more variety videos, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our website www.rightclickcreations.com. Thank you.